Hey guys, so I am down here in the office of my house at midnight. Actually, it's probably about 12:30 actually. Making all these videos for the week because my house is just too loud and crazy during the day to make these videos without the dog running through or my kids all yelling, "Mom, Mom." So I'm hopefully alert enough to make all these for you right now. So we're going to go ahead with our first lesson for Tuesday, and this is on volume. And if you remember area where we took length times width, volume is the exact same thing, but now that it's a 3D shape, we're adding a third number. So it's length times width times height. Sometimes they say base times height, which basically just means you already found the area for the bottom, and you just have to multiply that times the height. Okay, so we'll do some both ways so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I have two shapes already drawn on here. These are called rectangular prisms, and I have the length, which is 7, and the width, which is 5. I can just get this in here so you can see a little bit better. And then my height is 7. So I'm going to take length times width times height, which means I'm going to take this 7 times the 5 times this 7. Okay, so I'm just going to multiply those three numbers. So 7 times 5 is 35, and then, so that's these two. And so then I have to take that times 7. So that's 35. And 7 times 3 is 21. And 3 more is 24. My label on here was feet. Now, this is different from area. Because I'm multiplying 3 numbers, my label is a 3, and we would call this cubic feet, and that's because this makes a cube shape, a 3D shape. Okay, so down here, this one, I already know the base. I already multiplied my length times width and got 24. So since I already know this whole bottom area, I just have to multiply it times my height, which is 6. Okay, so 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Again, my label was feet. And even though I'm only multiplying 2 numbers together, since this shape is a 3D shape, my label is still 3. It's still cubic feet. Okay, now, I believe all of the shapes that you're going to work with today, you have to multiply all 3 numbers. So you have to take base times, or length times width times height. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's make another 3D shape here. Okay, my shapes aren't perfect, so you'll just have to forgive me. Okay, and so then this one is gonna be 5 inches length. We'll make this 6 inches width, and we'll make the height 8 inches. Okay, so I have to take 5 times 6 times 8. Okay, so 5 times 6, that's 30. And then I have to take that times my height. So 30 times 8 is 240. My label was inches. It's a 3D shape, so it's going to be cubic inches. Okay. If you want to, there are practice or example problems after this that you can go look at. And then after that, there is practice page, or if you feel really comfortable after watching this video and you just want to jump into the practice problems, you can. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me. If you message me though, give me a few minutes to answer you back. If I don't get back to you within 5 minutes, just go ahead, come back later and check for my answer. I might be busy answering some other questions. Please do your best. These are graded assignments. If you finish it and I look at it and I'm like, oh my goodness, they did not understand how to do this, I'll message you and tell you, hey, go back and make some corrections on here. I'll try to explain what step it was that you missed. If you do have questions on a particular problem, let me know which problem it is that you have questions on. And maybe what step it is. Maybe there's a particular step you're not understanding, or maybe I didn't explain it in a way you understood. So please do message me if you have any questions, and I'll do the best I can to help you. And you can go back, watch this video again if you need to. But I am missing you guys. I am missing you so much. And I know you guys are probably, now some of you are probably going a little crazy, but some of you are probably really happy not to be in school. But I will tell you that I miss you guys a lot. And I cannot wait till we get back to school and I can see you guys again. So miss you. Hope you're doing well. And hope you have a great day.